Radhe Radhe. My name is Vikash Kumar Vyas and I am here again with a very good video, a very good moral video. Caption is Money belongs to you, but resources belongs to society. It's upon a true incident happened in Germany, Hamburg, with a renowned and a very respected industrialist of India, who himself acknowledged this and posted this into the social sites to make us understand the value of belongings, of resources which nature gives us, and we wasted all that till now. As you know, I am very keen of study, and while in traveling I used to read articles posted by respected persons. So in 2017 I have read that article and now I am telling you about this. I will tell you the name of that industrialist in last. And now we comes to this story. As you all know, Germany is one of the very big industrialist area. You can say industrialized country. Many people think that they having a very high standard of living there in Germany. Their might will have a very luxurious, very superior quality of life. When some very big industrialist arrived in Hamburg, whose story I am telling you, with their colleagues, they were entered into a restaurant. They saw that many tables were empty. There was a table where a young couple was eating food. There were just two dishes. There were just two dishes and the two bottles of beer on the table. The industrialist was wondering if such a simple meal could be romantic, and would that girl leave this stingy boy? There were some old women sitting on another table nearby, and when a dish served, the waiter removed all the food in all the people's plate, and those women completely destroyed all the food in the plate. While the businessman was very hungry with his colleagues, they told their escort, that a local people, that just order the food and we will take the meal and again we will join the meeting. And the local escort ordered the food, and the order was for too much food. Even when they finished eating, almost 1/3 of food was left on that table. When they were leaving, that old lady told them in English that why are you wasting so much food? And that local escort replied to the woman that this is not her business. We have paid for our food and you please carry on with your own. How much food we have left You have nothing to do with it. Is that correct or not? You can comment in my this video comment box. And if you like my stories, my positive vibes, then kindly share my videos and subscribe my channel. Afterwards, that old woman called someone, and in 5 minutes there were some officers from the social security organization come there in their suit, in their uniform, and after hearing all the incident, the officer forwarded to the businessman and told him that you have to pay 50 euro as fine. There are many people in the world who are facing a shortage of resources. You don't have any reason to waste resources. Actually, the mindset of the people of some rich countries humiliates all of us. We really should think about it. We are from a country which is not very rich in resources. That person, that industrialist, was shocked. Their escort asked officer that why you are charging a fine to us. Then that officer told, money might be yours. You have earned a lot of money. But the wasted food on your table says that you don't respect food. Might you don't know how many people in this world slept in night without having a food, without having a meal. Don't you know this all resources belongs to society, belongs to nature. As this country specially meant for industry, and you were here for any business meeting from any of other countries, and might you can waste food in your country, but this is not allowed here. And if you have some moral, then you please don't waste food in your country too. The businessman shocked again, because this is an eye-opener linings he heard first time, and he realized his mistake. He gave 50 euros as fine because he really understand his mistake. And who was that person? He is very respected, very much respected, a pure gem of India, Mr. Ratanji Tata. My friends, there are so many peoples in the world who were facing problem of eating, who don't have proper meal, or even don't have meal. You can go through the Google, you can search it. To avoid embarrassment, we order very high quantities and waste a lot of food to treat others. Think seriously about this problem. Acknowledge this, that you will seriously change your this bad habit. A country becomes great when its citizens become great. And to be great, it is not to achieve big achievements. You have to be a great thinker. You have to be very good from inside too. You have to be very beautiful from inside. You have to be very good soul. And you think positive about this video. Then decide, take an oath that to be great, we will do a small things which can serve society, which can serve humanity, and which will make our country more great, and our country will be stronger, and our country will be move forward. These are some steps you can change your habit. That first is, don't waste food. Only order that much food what you can eat easily after finishing a dish. So don't waste food. Make this a habit. Please don't waste water. Save the water to being wasted. You can change your bad habit and make this habit that you will not make wastage of electricity too. Switch off the light and the fan, leave from your room. Make this habit of your child too, so they can too serve humanity. They can save resources. And please do one thing more. Make this habit too, that you will not throw out the garbage or the wastage things on the road, on the footpaths. If you are going anywhere, you are eating something, then put it, all the wrappers, all the polythenes in small polythene or in your pocket. And when you see the dustbin, then throw it out in there. If your city will clean, it will be very much beautiful. And when environment is beautiful, you will more beautiful from inside. Because as we serve to society, as we give to nature, the nature will give us tremendously 10 times or 100 times better of that. This might will be my next video's topic. So if you like this video, then please do comment, and my video needs so much suggestions, so much critics from you. Thank you. Thank you again.